In this video, we're going to look at the inverse function. So we've got f of x equals 1/2 x minus 1. So f of x is, so we're trying to find the inverse function. Okay. Now, f of x is the same as y equals 1/2 x minus 1. What we're saying is y equals x is our line of symmetry. So on a graph, we have a line y equals x is our line of symmetry. So if this graph looks like this, the inverse will look like that. Acts as a mirror. So that's what we're trying to find. So y equals x. That means what we do, if y equals x, x equals y. So that means we get x equals 1/2 y take 1. Now, we need to make y the subject. We've got y equals here, or y equals again. So using my algebra, I add 1 to both sides. So we've got x plus 1 equals 1/2 y. Now I've got 1/2 y. That's 1 divided by 2. So to get rid of the 2, so I times both sides by 2. So I've got 2x plus 2 equals y. So that means f of inverse x equals 2x plus 2. And we're done. That's the inverse. And the way we can check to see if our inverse is correct, let's just move this out a little, this over here, is if we do f of f inverse x. So what we're saying is x is going to equal 2x plus 2. So we'll substitute equals 1/2 2x plus 2, which equals, take 1, don't forget take 1, equals 1/2 times 2x is x, plus 1 take 1 equals x, because I've expanded here. That times that equals x plus 1, take 1 equals x. Now that equals x. That's what we want, because what we're saying is y equals x. f of inverse x equals x, which is what we had back at the start. That's our axis of symmetry. Also, what we can do is do f of inverse f of x. So now what we're saying is x equals 2x, no, sorry, not 2x plus 2, we can say equals 1/2 x take 1. So equals 2/2 x take 1 plus 2 equals x take 2 plus 2 equals x. Because we get x for this one, f of inverse x and f of inverse of f of x, because we get x as our answer, we know that the inverse is correct. So it's like what we were doing before. We're substituting in whatever's in these brackets is what gets substituted for x, okay? Even though it might be another function, it doesn't matter. We rely on our algebra skills to see us through. Is